Welcome to our channel, ERP Experts. Today we are going to talk about the rise of cloud ERP, why on-premise systems are becoming obsolete. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses are shifting away from traditional on-premise ERP systems. But why? What's making cloud-based ERP the game changer? Stay with us as we explore why on-premise ERP is becoming obsolete and how the cloud is redefining the future of enterprise management. The decline of on-premise ERP. Once the gold standard, on-premise ERP systems required hefty upfront investments, dedicated IT teams, and constant maintenance. But today, businesses face challenges like high costs, lack of flexibility, and security vulnerabilities. Simply put, on-premise ERP is struggling to keep up. According to recent studies, over 60% of businesses are shifting to cloud-based ERP solutions due to cost-effectiveness and scalability. The cloud ERP revolution. Cloud ERP is transforming the way businesses operate. It offers real-time access, enhanced security, seamless updates, and powerful integrations, all without the need for expensive hardware. How cloud ERP works. Businesses access ERP systems from anywhere. Automatic updates keep software up to date. AI and automation improve decision-making. Key benefits of cloud ERP. Still wondering why cloud ERP is the future? Let's break down its key advantages. Cost-effective. No upfront hardware costs, pay-as-you-go model. Scalability, easily expand or downsize based on business needs. Security and compliance, advanced encryption and real-time backups. AI and automation, smart analytics and process automation for efficiency. Remote accessibility, manage operations anytime, anywhere. Companies that switched to cloud ERP saw a 30 to 50% increase in efficiency and reduced IT costs. The future of ERP is AI-driven, data-centric, and fully cloud-based. With innovations in machine learning, blockchain, and IoT integrations, cloud ERP is set to redefine how businesses operate. So is it time to say goodbye to on-premise ERP? What are your thoughts on the future of ERP? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.